The most interesting and attractive activity is to wander around the center of the city and have a direct interaction with the local people, observe different activities which are going on, and participate in those activities to enjoy a full cultural flavor of the Shimkent. Wandering on the roads aimlessly is always full of joy, and it makes you to clearly observe the daily social and cultural life of the local people. It is also interesting to observe the habits, the way of talking, behavior, and general outlook of the society. The first most interesting thing in the center of the city is its Central Park. The park has a beautiful history. It was constructed nearly a century ago and has become a symbol of culture and recreation in the city. You will find variety of fountains, children's playgrounds, exercises and fitness areas, a lot of shady trees, and designed zones to play variety of games. It is always interesting and to have a cooling effect when you walk on these paths. So much interesting and highly attention absorbing place is this. You feel very relaxed and very calm. You become very close to the nature when you walk on these paths. You will find few people in some corners of the park. So that is why if you wish to enjoy the isolation, that is also available. There is also a well defined area for playing the chess, and you will observe a lot of people playing chess and many such activities while sitting on these benches. It is considered to be a very a festive and highly organized activity during the evening time. People are very fond of playing the chess here, and they generally enjoy the company of their friends while playing the chess. There are several sculptures and monuments inside the park. For example, the lines of Alash that basically commemorates the Alash for the leader. These are basically the memorials of historical personalities of Kazakhstan. You will observe many zigzag paths like this one, and these are often occupied by the kids, by the families, and they enjoy their freedom. They play a variety of games and have a lot of social and cultural activities. Dancing, music, and everything of this sort is readily available here. This is the best place to observe the culture of Kazakhstan. It is considered to be a great spot for relaxing outside. It is ideal for cooling down under the tree shades, watching local life, families, and students performing their different activities. This park also provides a wonderful history. The park carries memorials and also older trees. Another wonderful activity close to Central Park is Toke Khan. It is situated at Toke Khan Avenue, and it is one of the main social, cultural, and recreational center for the local people. Walking along the avenue gives a good sense of city's peace and greenery. At the park, you will find a lot of shaded, tree lined paths, places to sit and relax, and spots for people watching. Such activities are very attractive for the kids, and also these are very important and special points for the local people to meet, dine, and sit together. You will stroll towards nearby green spaces. Adjacent to park, there are a lot of wonderful pathways. You will combine your visit with other spots which are nearly available. That enriches your experience for the tour at the center of the city. Because the park is central, it is a nice spot between cafes, shops, and city sightseeing. So that is why it is the best place.
Девочка, здравствуйте. Что это? Что написано там? Это по-русски или это не по-русски? Я знаю.
Это казахский язык.
Что это?
Алла Жолу написано.
Пожалуйста.
Actually, these sculptures are very famous, and these represent the political history of Kazakhstan. So, generally, younger people are not aware about it. So, let's talk about this spot.
Здравствуйте. Вы можете сказать, что написано здесь? Что это?
Сейчас мы посмотрим.
Аллаш Золи.
Означает единокровные родственники, близкие родственники. Значит, путь к
Да.
близким родственникам.
Какая это история? Это история свободна или история как? Почему это?
Это какие-то политические деятели.
Политический, да.
Главное.
Это очень красивые или...
Да. А вы откуда приехали?
Все говорят в Пакистане, что казахстанские люди очень милые, тихие, добродушные, жизнерадостные, гостеприимные.
Да, это
Они не замкнутые. Это правда?
Да.
Я вижу.
Они все вот
Да.
открыты,
Это очень хорошо. Хорошо.
Вы первый раз, да, или нет?
Да, я первый раз.
А так в России?
Friends, you have observed that how nice, polite, and humble people are of Shymkent. This lady explained us the history, the culture, the social values, the way of living, the preferences, the daily routine of the people. It is very relaxed and cooling life here. So, whenever you visit Kazakhstan, Shymkent is a must see place if you wish to observe the social and cultural activities of Kazakh people, and also if you wish to meet the local people. This is the best place to interact with the local people. It is very calm life here.
Я думаю, что это очень хороший Это очень хороший город. По Алматы или Астана.
Да.
Здесь нет много вещей зданий. Так мне тоже это очень нравится. Да. Спасибо, спасибо, девочка.
До свидания.
Вы можете сказать? Да.
А можно спросить, вы типа в YouTube снимаете?
Я буду начинать после этого.
После лета?
После этого. После, когда я буду вернуться в Пакистан, то, конечно, я буду начинать мой YouTube канал. There are several paths and sitting places along the park. So you will enjoy these types of activities everywhere you go. Especially during the evening time, there are a lot of people, young people chatting with each other, playing pranks, enjoying music, dancing, eating, and especially having a gossip with you. And they are very curious about the foreigners and they love to talk and learn from them. Keep exploring and asking the people, you will enjoy. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте, девочка. Вы можете сказать, где находится фонтана?
Фонтан вон там.
Да?
Да.
Спасибо большое. Фонтан. People are very friendly and very helping and they enjoy your company. So it is always recommended when you visit this center of the city to talk to the people and participate in their activities, enjoy the social and cultural events if they are going on, and have a lot of chat with the local people at any place. Now come to Russian lesson 29. It is about simple question and answers. 1. Когда и где мы встретимся? 2. Мы встретимся в 5 часов в парке. 3. Когда балет? 4. Балет в 6 часов. 5. Когда опера? 6. Опера в 8 часов. 7. Где находится театр? 8. Это близко к парку. 9. У тебя есть машина? 10. Да, у меня есть машина. So these types of questions help you to interact with the people and you can quickly learn these short phrases, questions and answers. It is always a very simple way if you watch these types of episodes clearly.